Hello, soulmates. Welcome to DHS Fashion House. So today we'll be learning how to make a surface cording. Okay, just like what I've made here, the one that I'm showing you, you are seeing here. So I use Ankara fabric, and the main base is Mikado material. So now I measure 2 inches wide for the Ankara fabric, 2 inches wide. The length will determine the type of pattern you're using, okay? So for the Ankara is 2 inches wide, and then for the foam that I used is 1.5 inches wide, 1.5 inches wide. So I fold it this way. The Ankara I fold it this way. I put the foam and then the Ankara covering it, okay? So then I made a stitch. Why I'm making a stitch that way is because to cover the rough edges. So that after making it, the rough edges will not show while manipulating it, okay? So now flip it and then fold the Ankara inside, and then you stitch on top of it, okay? So as I'm folding it, I'll be folding using the Ankara fabric to cover the foam. That's the main point, okay? So you use the Ankara to cover the foam. So that's why the Ankara is 2 inches, and then the wideness of the foam is just half inch smaller than the Ankara. That's 1.5 inches for the foam, while the Ankara itself is 2 inches. So as you're doing it, you'll be folding it this way and use the Ankara to cover. And when you get to the edge, you try as much as possible to still fold the edge and put it inside. Right now, I am done with the stitches. I made like 3 ropes, okay? I made like 3 ropes. So after that, I've gone ahead to draw a line, a pattern where I'll be placing the cord, okay? So as you can see, here is the cord and then the back of our blouse. Can you see how neat it is? Now it's time for us to trace the pattern, okay, using our cord. Then you need your needle to put it in place, okay, while you are tracing the pattern. You need your needle, especially your pin, especially the very long pin, to put it in place, just like the way I'm doing. So you use the piping that you made with foam, then you use your needle as you are tracing the pattern with it on the fabric, okay? You use it to pin it on the fabric, and as you're doing it, you'll be tracing the pattern. Like I said, it must not be this pattern. You can make your own pattern. You can manipulate it any how you want, and it will still come out nice. So as you can see, I am making it using my pin to hold it, and here is the outcome of after pinning it with pin, okay? Now it's time for us to use our needle and thread to secure it. You need your needle and thread to secure it. So what I'm using is a very long needle to secure it. So now I place the needle right there where the seam line is, the seam line of the piping is. So that's where I'm sewing from, so that the rough edges will not show. So I use the seam line edges to place it on right there, and then I tack it together with my needle and thread. So watch what I'm doing. It's actually very easy and simple, very easy to make. So why I chose to tack it is because since it's a bustier, and so that it will not disfigure the bust area. So that's why it is very good to tack it, and it came out very neat and nice. So your tacking need to be neat. It shouldn't be rough, okay? So I tacked it this way. Please guys, please try and subscribe to our channel. So how this is how the outcome of our piping is. It's very neat and nice. Please, here is the end of our video. Thank you. Bye.